This one stock can change early buyers' lives. My research suggests, it's not financial advice, but that it could be smart to buy as much as possible before November 15th. The ticker is BE, Bloom Energy. The stock is up a lot. Now, it's important to say why it's up. What they do is they have solid oxide fuel cells. So a fuel cell is a way to basically make power from fuel. So they get that fuel from like biomass, I guess like wood chips would qualify, but also, I think some type of oil, and they convert that into electricity. And their connection apparently is the only connection that goes directly into how data centers are being built right now. So you can't just build a new power plant tomorrow, right? But you can convert biomass into electricity with one of these like mobile fuel cell basically contraptions, and then pipe that into a data center that you can build in about 6 months. I guess that's how fast Elon seems to be building them. So it's not financial advice. The ticker is BE. Let's look at recent earnings and unpack what this company is doing.
This is Sam Putnam.
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 So here is the stock. There's the earnings. It's holding on that earnings. And obviously this looks crazy to talk about buying this company up here on a 5-year. But look, I mean, you could have bought it. It was down at 20, and then it starts flagging at 40, and you're like, it's too much. And then it goes up to, 60 is kind of an opportunity. You don't buy that. It's like, that's too much. And then, little pullback, but goes up to 90. It's like, it's too much. And now it's up at 140. You know what I mean? So it's like, you want to say it's up too much, tell that to people who bought Palantir and then sold early, right? Or didn't rebuy. It's like price to earnings is not how companies are valued in the market right now. The speculation bucket of companies, which is this companies that are most volatile and are moving a lot. It is what it is, So I'm just looking at what is actually going on. And this is the positive earnings. This is the level around 135. And over that level it's very close to over that level. You can see the high is 138 over here. This high is 139. So it's pretty much, effectively the same. So you can buy over that level, risk that, and you get very low risk with high reward opportunities. So that's the spot. And then this is what they're up to, right? This is a kind of a janky picture, but who am I to complain? ChatGPT generated it. So hydrogen fuel cells, and they take that energy and put it into a AI data center. Right. Sounds dumb when I say it that way, but they convert fuel into electricity without combustion. Simple enough. So that's important because you don't have to overload the grid. So a lot of people are worried right now, like, my electricity prices are going to go up. It's like, well, not in this case, actually. And so you need a lot of natural gas, biogas, hydrogen. You need that, but if you can truck it to these data centers and then have Bloom do the conversion, that's way faster than actually using a power plant. So that's pretty much the key. And this company is massively important right now because power is so important right now. So it's kind of having a moment. These are also clean, which I think a lot of the big tech lords are going to be happy to say that they're providing clean energy into their, LLMs. It's just going to go well in the PR boat, I think. And then distributed energy is what this is. It's just another buzzword for this, but this is kind of a whole class of energy. So if another company, gets hot that also does batteries, there are some battery companies, QS, SLDP are actually heating up right now. QuantumScape, SLDP is solid power is what it's called, but the charts look great. All this distributed generation, that's what it's going to be really important when it becomes clear that we can't just build a bunch of power plants immediately to fulfill all of Sam Altman's needs, right? So this is the company, Bloom Energy, and then as far as the revenue, this is the earnings. 500 million in revenue is 50% increase, 60% compared with a year ago. So that's significant. Product and service revenue up kind of about the same versus a year ago. And then gross margin slightly up as well. So very big deal to have a positive operating income from a loss. Whenever you have these turnaround stories, you get huge moves. Another recent one was Hertz. The earnings per share was expected to be negative. It's actually positive. So we'll see what happens here. This one is a little choppier. Obviously this is a totally euphoric chart, but similar kind of story compared to a year ago at least. And then I don't know about other information about this company being that important, but I think you just do need to make sure that you're not looking at these analyses, okay? Because these analyses would completely miss Palantir and companies like that. So if you're looking for the next Palantir, don't be looking at discounted cash flow models unless you're trying to hold it for a year. And that's not at all what we're trying to do. So this goes in the same category of like analyst upgrades or downgrades. Like if there's new information that leads to the upgrade or downgrade, great. If there's not, just ignore it, in my opinion. So that's the idea. If you like these ideas, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. I post that in the post section once a month for subscribers. And if you want one-on-one help for $25 for 7 days, head over to the Discord. You'll see some testimonials there as well. So the market is in a choppy spot, but it goes month to month. September was on fire. Not financial advice. Hope it helps.
This is Sam Putnam.
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 This is Sam Putnam.